Hey guys, welcome back to the episode 3 of my series of website copy edit, where I edit the website copy live in front of you. So today I'll be doing it in a different way because there's something with this website that I could not edit. You can see this Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales event. This is basically a picture here, so I could not edit it. So I'll be editing it today in a different form in front of you. So let's talk about the domain name first, and then why the website caught my attention. So the domain name of the website is dog.com. This is the simplest domain name that a dog website could get, whether it's an e-commerce website or whether it is about the dog care, pet care, anything else. This is the real domain name that anyone could wish for, because see, for example, my name is Preeti. If I get a domain name by www.preeti.com, I will be on this I will be very very happy about it, that I got this domain name, and I'll let me make full use of it. But then I opened this website somehow today, and the first thing that I noticed is this is so much cluttered. Everything is so cluttered. Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales, then biggest sale, no lines, no crowd. Then again you can see this get up and get moving, good dogs, good treats, everything, the photos of the dogs, the photos of the products, and these tabs here on the top, and then everything has been added in such a cluttered way that I really feel bad about this website. I'm really sorry about the graphic designer and the copywriter. But I decided to change this headline first of all. So I tried to do it with my editor, but this is basically a picture. This Black Friday and Cyber Monday, this pink thing here, it's a picture. So I could not edit it the way I used to do it for you guys earlier. So I decided to do it in a different way today. And let's just see what I did. Okay, so this is my video. This is my work where I've edited the entire design and the copy as well. I've changed the headline, and then you can look here. I have kept the Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales right here. Okay, I'll show you the website once more. Okay, so this is my work that I've done for this website, and let me just try to show you what is the result of my final work. Where is it? Okay, it must be here. Yes, I got it. So this was the previous look of the website, you can see here, and this was the final thing that I did. I'll show you once more. Okay, this is the final work that I've done. I've kept the dog here as it is, and the tabs here as well, because these are the major pieces of information that need to be there. So I have my own limitations to recreate the website, so I decided to focus more on the headline here. This was the previous look of the website. This cluttered thing, Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales event, and these photos and the products, everything was here. I tried to focus on only one thing, the only place where your dog can come for shopping. This was my headline, and then of course I had to talk about the Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales. These two things are on top of the page, and I decided to design the website like this, and the website copy obviously is here, the only place where your dog can come for shopping, because it is online shopping. You can obviously have your dog sitting right beside you, and your dog can choose what he wants. Okay, so that's it for today, and let me know what you think about it. How do you like my work? Let me know in comments. Thank you. Bye.